How a full-body paint protection film installation works. This Lamborghini Aventador came to us to have the old paint protection film on it removed and replaced. After removal was complete, we put it through a full decontamination wash as well as a full clay bar to get the paint as clean as possible and ready for new PPF to be applied. We used the precision cut templates recommended by XPEL with extended and wrapped edges in order to ensure long-term reliability of the film and also providing maximum protection. One of the most common concerns with PPF is that it will yellow or crack over time. XPEL has solved these problems with their Ultimate Plus film that has a 10-year warranty and is guaranteed not to yellow. Our client wanted a satin finish for his Lamborghini, so we are protecting this car with Ultimate Plus Stealth PPF, which has a satin finish, allowing us to protect the vehicle and change the finish in one step. Installing PPF is a very tedious process, in which you have to make sure that every template is perfectly aligned with every panel that it is intended for. This is particularly challenging to do on a car with many aggressive body lines like the Lamborghini Aventador. Our team are experts in this process, taking the necessary time to align every edge and wrap every corner as best as possible. We installed gloss XPEL Ultimate Plus PPF on the carbon fiber front lip, side air inlets, upper air inlets, and also finished the rear diffuser in Stealth PPF. This project was finished with a ceramic coating to help prevent staining as well as make future cleaning easier.